afraid of the score, afraid that His mercy won't